She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got the Gucci. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep.
So I guess this could be considered an unboxing. I already opened it, but too bad. This is the box that it came in. The name of the company is Noble. You see on the front 613, 100% human hair. I got this from Amazon, y'all. Lord Jesus. Got this from Amazon. This is what it looked like when I got it out the box. So I think it's beautiful. Like, this is a beautiful 613 if you ask me. It's not that super yellowy color. Like, you know how you do the step where you wash it with toner before, I mean not toner, wash it with purple shampoo prior to get that brassy out. There's none of that. And look at this lace. A couple black hairs in there, but this looks good. Is it focused? Maybe not. This looks good. So like right out the package, I'm already feeling it. And the last 613 here I bought, I hate it. It was from Panda something on AliExpress, and I told myself I would never do it again, but here I am trying it again. But this is beautiful for like literally right out the package 613. This is beautiful. And this is in 18 inches because I wanted something shorter. I always do long. But this is beautiful. Okay, this is a look at the inside cap construction. I don't like that it's, you know, that dip. You know how things are where it's that dip instead of it being all the way across. But I still appreciate it. It's still good. I like the clips on the side. I'm probably going to sew an elastic band in here as well. It comes with 3 clips. 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. And this is what the inside, you get a little bit of space in the front, you know, edges wise, but that be worrying me. You know what I'm saying? Like, what if your shit start like thinning out a little bit and you gotta make some adjustments, but you ain't even got no lace to do that with? But we gonna see, because maybe that might not even be necessary because, you know, ear tab situation. I don't know if I ordered a 13x6. I would have to check on that. But for Amazon, Noble Company, 18 inches. 18 inches. Beautiful. Comes beautiful. Inside cap construction. 3 clips. Does this say anything on here? No, it doesn't. I need to go look back at what this is. It looks like a 13x6. But I'll let y'all know. At this point, I have not filmed the intro yet with me having it all done. I will try to film me actually like doing the transformation of the reverse ombre on it. Trying to be all quiet, and either way, like, I'm gonna put music over it. I'm new to this, bear with me. So this is what cinnamon looks like. As I mentioned before, wow, the first part of the video I'm gonna have to put music over because I was being dumb. Anyway, as I mentioned before, this is what I got originally using Cinnamon by Kiss. So not that cinnamon, this Cinnamon by Kiss in this area. And then I used the Kiss Temptation darkest brown on the very tips. But I went ahead and bought Cinnamon and Adore because they didn't have the same brand as the other hair store I went to. And then I went ahead and bought black just because I want to use this, add a little bit more of this for the ends, and then use this at the tips for more depth. So let's see what we get from dipping this cinnamon. Sorry, I'm being ghetto with a straw. But it's like, you gotta use whatever you got, okay? this is what I got. So I'm using it. See, I feel like that is a better color. That's giving me more depth than the than I feel that the Kiss cinnamon color gave me, honestly. I think that's giving me more depth. The black, and make sure you use regular black. Don't use jet black because that is going to have like a green undertone to it. So yeah, I'm gonna take that out. We can dump this. I'll be back. I'm gonna condition the hair. What I use to condition the hair is this is Bella Curls Coconut Cream Co-Wash. I actually like this for my real hair, safe for color treated hair, for curly, coily, or wavy hair. Even when I have my curly wig, I love this with it. I think it does a great job. Zero sulfates, dyes, parabens, zero gluten, and things like that. I think it's definitely something to invest in. And it's literally only $8. Well, at least where I'm at, I'm in Cleveland, it's only $8. So I definitely recommend it. I'm going to rinse this out and put this on the hair, and I'll come back once I towel dry it and show you guys the color more up close, maybe with some flash. You can really see what's going on. this is what we're looking at for the final result. Like I said, I did not have to use any purple shampoo on that. Cinnamon, getting into that darkest brown, getting into black. This is the beautiful ombre. These are the products I use. You have cinnamon, darkest brown, black. Well, the final products I use. So let me back up. This is the final result. I will be back when it's time to install. Don't know if I record that because like I'm really not that good and I'm gonna have to really focus because it's blonde, but if I don't, I'll at least be back with me talking to y'all while I have it on and talking about the hair and things like that. But it's beautiful. Let me take some regular pictures to include as well.